In this video, we'll connect the grounds and pedal box wires. Use zip ties to tie the main harness to the pedal box support tube. If the grounds still have a bolt holding them together, remove this bolt. Remove the hardware from the pedal box ground stud. Install one of the washers and then the bundle of grounds. Add another washer and then tighten the nut with a 1/2-inch wrench. Fold the excess length of wire and zip tie it as shown. Next, connect the accelerator pedal wires. SS cars need to reuse the adapter that was used in the donor car. Non-SS donors do not require this adapter and will connect directly to the pedal. The early models and late models have different brake and clutch switches. First, we'll show how to connect the early model wiring. The dark gray connector goes in the top brake switch. The black connector with pink and purple wires goes in the lower brake switch. The light colored connector goes in the top clutch switch. The black connector with pink and yellow wires goes in the lower clutch switch. Zip tie the wires to the pedal box. The late model sensors use only 2 connectors. The connectors are identical, so pay attention to the wire colors. The connector with the white, yellow, and brown wires goes to the brake sensor. The other connector goes to the clutch sensor. Zip tie the wires as shown.